says go. So now it's recording me, and you can tell if you look down here in the bottom, it's got the time that it's recording. So I'm going to just skip around. For example, let's say I wanted to go to this particular website. This is our website, just scrolling around. At the same time, I want to show you this other cool tool, and we'll come back to it. But let's say I wanted to record something I'm doing on a whiteboard. I can go to Jamboard is one option, but I'm going to show you this tool. It's called AWW Board. It's a free whiteboard tool. It's super cool. It's the next best thing to explain everything. And here, I'm going to put a sticky. This is a... I can change the color. I can draw. Okay, I'm going to click stop record now, just by pushing this little blue button here.